Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
The clock is ticking, and every second counts when it comes to the IELTS. This internationally recognized English proficiency test can open doors to education and career opportunities worldwide. Today, we're diving into a practice question designed to help you master your IELTS skills. Remember, consistent practice is key to acing this exam. It sharpens your English language skills, boosts your confidence, and familiarizes you with the test format, all crucial factors for success. So here's your question for today. What are the advantages and disadvantages of studying abroad? Remember, you have 1 minute to prepare your answer and up to 2 minutes to respond. Remember to consider all aspects of the question and think critically. For more IELTS practice, feel free to reach out. Your journey to IELTS success doesn't have to be a solo one. Subscribe for more content and comment with your thoughts or questions. Remember, every step towards IELTS mastery is a step towards your bigger dreams. Keep practicing, stay focused, and you'll get there. Until next time, keep making every second count.